Good afternoon, this is Patrick Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm making a training video for everybody. One of the questions that we get is, it's tough to do this when I'm working, when I have a job, a career. And I agree, it is tough. But our goal is this, is to educate and help each person find the setups that will work best for them when they do have a job and they can't monitor the screens all the time. That is why I am so focused on looking at longer, clean and simple bases. As you know, I've been an IBD meetup leader for 12 years. I've had lunch with Bill O'Neill a couple of times. I'm firmly ingrained in this idea of look for longer bases that can lead to moves that last a long time and that you don't have to micromanage the investment. It's so important. This in and out stuff, no. I don't do the 5-minute crap. I'm looking for longer bases that can work. Let them work for us. I'll give you a couple of examples just to show you what to look for. Workday starts right here. This is a recent one. Is this going to continue? I don't know, but you can see this fairly clean. It's an IBD write-up. But I'm going to show you some other examples here, just so that you have an idea of what to look for. Advanced Micro Devices. Look at the longer shelf right here. These are all actual keyless stocks. Every one of these. Advanced Micro Devices. Lifting through 20. It's clean and simple. Everybody can see it. Makes a good move here from 20 to almost the mid-30s. That's a 50% gain real quick right there. Simple with volume confirmation. All these stocks that I'm showing you, here's Concho right here. Look at the volume that came into it. Just a simple downward sloping shelf. Lifted through right here. We owned all of these, by the way. VIPs owned, not all VIPs own all of them. We own these. There it is. It's just simple. Nice, simple base. A pattern that you could see in a chart book of past winners. Here's another one for you. Square. Going across these tops. It's entry right here. See this little shelf right here? Volume picks up and just walks up. Nothing fancy. This isn't, by the way, the stock had great numbers. Okay, we know that. Just walks up the 8-day and you sell some into strength. I told people this slope of this line right here is not sustainable. We sold into strength, and then when it lost it, we took the rest. We're looking at 5-minute charts. Vanilla. There's another entry later on. Here's another one for you, just to show you. EC. Right there. Vanilla. That's not much. 7 points on a $12.50 stock. That's good money right there. Here's another one for you. Just train your eyes. Caterpillar. Lifted through here. Marched around. And then made a nice move. Simple moves. Can't stress that enough. 21% profit right there. Here's another one for you. FANG right here. Downward sloping trend line. By the way, this was written up in IBD the day we bought it. And we bought it before it was written up. Or mentioned. I should say it wasn't written, mentioned. Well, I guess you call it right. Just lift off. Look at this. Great stocks in great bases in great groups. You don't have to make micromanagement with 5-minute charts. You can find, this is the moral of this whole story. Find the longer, clean, and simple bases and focus on those. Put a buy stop in and have a contingent sell stop a point lower or 2 points lower. That's how you can do this. Hey folks, I got to tell you this. Please don't think I'm looking at a bunch of 5-minute charts doing in and out on this. Don't do that. Bigger trends. Trends are what pay. Take a look at here. Boeing lifted through here. Just kind of ground up. You can say, well, that's not much. 300 to 350, that's not that much. Last time I checked without a calculator, it's 50 points. Here's another one for you. Micron Technology right here. We owned this. Entry right there. Look at a walk. Just a nice walk. Starts to lose the moving averages. You take the rest out. Lower 30s to the mid 40s. Vanilla. Simple entries. All these, every one of these was on the key list. I owned every one of these. Here's the last one I'll show you. A Biomed. Entry right here. Kind of marched around. Another entry right here. Look at the longer base right here. Look at the longer base. Volume picks up. If you focus on those and turn off all the hype on Twitter and the in and out BS, there's money to be made. There's money. Oh, by the way, I shouldn't say it like that. I'm not criticizing that methodology. No. That's not, strike the whole remark there. That's not the issue. The issue is there a methodology that you can get in when you're working also and you got a dang career? And the answer is, well, I just showed you what I just showed you, about 10 examples real quick. There they are. Actual real-world examples of keyless stocks. Great groups, great earnings, and or great revenue growth in clean and simple chart patterns, price and volume confirmation, and again, a chart pattern everybody can see. That's what we're after. So I hope this helps you, and I thank you.